Ramesh was a poor but honest man who lived in a small village. He worked as a carpenter and earned just enough money to take care of his family. Although life was difficult, Ramesh believed in honesty and hard work. Every morning, Ramesh woke up early, went to his small workshop. He made wooden chairs, tables, and other furniture. His tools were old, but he used them with care. People in the village trusted him because he always delivered good quality work. One day, a wealthy man from the city visited the village. He wanted a special wooden chest for his home. He heard about Ramesh's skill and came to his workshop. "Can you make me a chest with beautiful carvings?" the man asked. Ramesh nodded and said, "Yes, sir. I will make it strong and beautiful. It will take a week to complete." The man agreed and paid Ramesh half the money in advance. Ramesh worked hard on the chest. He spent hours carving beautiful designs and making it perfect. After a week, the chest was ready. The wealthy man came to collect it and was very impressed. "This is excellent work," he said and handed Ramesh the remaining money. But when the man left, Ramesh noticed something on the floor. It was a small bag filled with gold coins. The wealthy man had dropped it by mistake. Ramesh picked up the bag and thought, "This money could help my family, but it does not belong to me." Without hesitation, Ramesh ran to catch the man. He found him near the village gate and said, "Sir, you dropped this bag of coins in my workshop." The wealthy man was surprised. He opened the bag and said, "You are right. I didn't even notice it was missing. Thank you for your honesty." The man was so impressed by Ramesh's honesty that he said, "You are a good and trustworthy person. Take these coins as a reward." But Ramesh shook his head and said, "I cannot take what is not mine. I only want to earn money through my work." The wealthy man smiled and said, "Your honesty is more valuable than gold. I will tell others about you." Word spread about Ramesh's honesty. Soon, more people came to him for work. They knew they could trust him. His business grew, and he was able to provide a better life for his family. One evening, as Ramesh sat with his wife and children, he said, "Honesty is the best path in life. It may not always be easy, but it brings true happiness and respect." From that day on, Ramesh became a role model in the village. People admired him, not only for his skill but also for his integrity. His story taught everyone that being honest and kind always leads to a good life. As time passed, Ramesh's honesty brought him more recognition. One day, the village chief came to visit him. The chief needed a large wooden door for the village temple. He said, Ramesh, you are the most trusted carpenter in our village. Will you make a special door for the temple? Ramesh felt honored and replied, Of course, I will do my best. He spent weeks working on the door. He chose the finest wood and carefully carved intricate designs of flowers and animals. Villagers often stopped by his workshop to watch him work. They admired his dedication and patience. When the door was finally completed, it was stunning. The villagers gathered at the temple for the installation ceremony. The chief praised Ramesh, saying, This door is not just beautiful, it shows the love and honesty of the man who made it. Ramesh felt proud, but he remained humble. He said, I only did my duty. Honesty and hard work are what I believe in. One day, while Ramesh was working in his shop, a traveler came to the village. The traveler was a merchant who sold goods in different towns. He needed a sturdy wooden box to carry his items. Ramesh made the box and handed it to the merchant. The merchant noticed that the box was even better than he had expected. He said, Ramesh, you are an honest man, and your work is excellent. Why don't you move to the city? You could earn more money there. Ramesh smiled and said, The city may bring more money, but I love my village. My honesty and work are meant to serve the people here. The merchant respected his decision and left, telling others about Ramesh's honesty. One day, a group of young carpenters came to meet Ramesh. They said, We have heard of your honesty and skill. Please teach us how to become good carpenters like you. Ramesh welcomed them warmly and shared his knowledge. He told them, It's not just about making good furniture. Always be honest in your work and people will trust you. Honesty is the key to success and happiness. As Ramesh sat in his workshop surrounded by his family and students, he felt a deep sense of fulfillment. His life, built on honesty, had touched many hearts and brought him lasting respect and peace. His story became a lesson for generations too. Come, honesty and kindness make life truly meaningful.